Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel Cosmic Occult. And today I am sitting in the lap of nature in this beautiful scenery. And it's a Sunday evening, and I'm enjoying the sunset. And I was drawn to do a reading for you guys because I have been receiving a lot of requests for the twin flame journey, especially. And people have been asking me that they're going through a lot of changes these days, emotional, and they're feeling a lot of vulnerability. So I was drawn to take up some cards and do it. And what better than doing a reading in this beautiful environment? So I've picked up the cards. Let's look at it. Please bear with me if the visuals are not clear, or you could not clearly see the cards are not very properly placed, and because the setup is very natural, so please bear with me if something like that happens. But I'll try to deliver the message with as short as possible. So please walk with me through this beautiful place. And I've kept some cards, and I'm just going to give an overall reading for the divine masculine and the feminine. So I could take out the first 3 cards for the feminine and the rest 3 for the masculine. So the overall energy for the reading today is that I can understand that there is a lot of emotional upheaval going on both the ends, and I can understand that for both of you, the masculines and feminines, you're feeling that this is the end of the world. Probably there is a separation, probably there's a lot of pain, and you're not able to see past it. But I don't know, I have this intuition, and what I can see from this is somewhere there is a divine guidance for both of you, and you don't have to worry about what is going on right now. And I feel like things are going to get better in the future. I don't see a union or a reunion very soon, because right now I see a tower movement for the feminine, and I see a very heavy and dark energy for the masculine as well. And Ace of Pentacles, which represents new beginning, is also in reverse for the masculine. So overall I see, yes, you both are in a dark space and you're trying to understand why things are happening in a certain way. But all the message I can get from the universe is to work on yourself, both of you. Like, focus on new ideas, new creativity, your work sphere. Try to deviate yourself from this connection and put your mind and thoughts into your work or something creative, or trying to do something better for people around you. I think for now the message would be to distract yourself from this heavy, burdensome energy, because the time does not look very favorable for both of you. So I can understand you are in pain, but please bear with it, and these are all divine decisions. And I would just like to take out one last card as an advice from the universe for both of you. And this is the vision board. Yes, the universe asks you to believe in the divine timing and make a vision board and maybe manifest beautiful things. And have faith in divine timings, and look at the beauty where I'm doing this reading. And again I'm getting this intuitive vibe that everything will fall into place. For now things are dark, and it doesn't make sense, but it will all get better soon. So please, my divine counterparts, both of the divine feminine and divine masculine, take some time of your regular day and rest, and focus on your new ideas, new beginnings. What can you do in this free time, and take care of yourself. Please don't be disheartened.